Worldfamousfoodz 2022 gardening. So, got our Turkish spiral peppers. You see they already coming out here. See that? We got our Scotch bonnet peppers right here. Gonna be our 22 hot sauce. Got right here, see right here. Then we got our jumbo snack peppers. Those are right here. See how big that is? It's gonna turn yellow though, of course. And then down here we have some more Scotch bonnets. Still kind of small, it's still coming up. And here, some more peppers, of course, some more Scotch bonnets right here too. All right. Here we got our Indigo rose tomatoes. See this? This is gonna be really purple. They're not done yet. Still taking the toast. See that? Keep coming with me, son. We got some onions right here. Kohlrabi. Our cucumbers are here. Just 1 second. You can actually harvest some of these right now. See that? Yeah, at least one more. And we have it, folks. Worldfamousfoodz 2022 garden.